The hell am I about to do right now? Well, I got these beautiful babies right here. And I've already made my marks. I'm just not fully committed yet, but the finished product will look something like this, just to show you. And we'll be sitting there like this. Real nice and pretty. It's a Regal. I'll be standing here doing this, but I got 2 of the holes drilled. Now I gotta get my 3rd one, and then I'm gonna slap that Regal on in there, and it's gonna be beautiful. Stay tuned, man. Yes, stay tuned. Before and after pictures. A little sauce on it. Put my little sauce on it, you know. I ain't gonna show y'all what that is, but put my little sauce on it. That's all you need to know and see. Which one you like more? Which one you feeling more? So, let me give you some comparisons. That's the OG, you know. Grandpa Bob, you know. All right, cool, cool, cool. Can't go wrong with OG, though. Let me not diss the OG. Can't diss the OG feel of it. Or we can make it a, you know. Man, that's tough, huh? Yeah, I think that blue got it. I think that blue got it. I think that blue got it. Yep, we just put our JB water weld right there onto the prongs. Just apply it, just a little dab, roll it, and put it on your prongs. I did drill through, and this is the finished result. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely right. All clear coated. JB welded on the prongs so that water won't get in when you're washing it. Hopefully not driving it in the rain, but you never know up here in Wisconsin. Got my hose already drilled in. Now we just go ahead and line it up and stick it on through. Stay with me. Yeah. Sticking it through. Measure twice, drill once. And if you do get some overspray, or I should say over mush that comes out because it's gone, you see how I'm pushing it through there, it's going to expand as I do that. You just want to get like a Q-tip or something. You're going to get like a Q-tip or something, and you'll be able to just get the extra out of there. But that's it. This is finished product. Best thing you could do is just take a little razor blade and get down in the crevices right in between the vinyl and the lettering where you got the JB weld bulge going on. So you just scrape that out, free it up a little bit, and then hit it with the Q-tip to clear out the rest of it. And there it is, finished product. That's how you do that. Yes, yes, Regal Eagle 73. Y'all follow me, man. Subscribe if you liking what you see. I'm just keeping the culture alive, that's all. And I appreciate y'all for watching and viewing. I think that's a win right there. I think that's a win right there. That's tough. Don't mind it. It's dirty. It's dirty. It's a little dirty, I know. But yeah, that's what's going on. That's how we hitting. That's how we hitting right now. And it's November. It's not even June or July or May. It's November. And we coming for them already for the summer 25, all right? So yeah. Subscribe if you like it, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all stay cool. That's tough. That's tough. You already know what I'm looking at. That's tough. Got the cursive script on it too. That's tough. Beautiful. Beautiful. Finished product. All done. Beautiful. Yes, sir. There she is. There she is once again. Regal. Reflective too. Alrighty. That's it.